I tried Uphold crypto wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Uphold app, I was expecting a simple crypto wallet. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Uphold is much more than that. It's a fully regulated financial platform that bridges crypto, fiat, and even precious metals in a single tap. On day 1, I set up my account, and it felt more like opening an online bank than a typical crypto wallet. The process required verification, which at first felt strict, but it's actually what makes Uphold stand out. It's compliant, transparent, and secure. On day 2, I started exploring the app's unique feature. You can hold over 250 different assets from Bitcoin and stocks to gold and carbon credits all in one place. No other wallet I've tested had that level of versatility. By day 4, I tried its anything-to-anything swap feature. It lets you instantly exchange Bitcoin for Tesla stock or even convert gold into Ethereum. Most people get this wrong. They think they need multiple platforms for that, but Uphold makes it seamless. By day 6, I checked out the auto trading and recurring purchase options. These tools make it easy to dollar cost average into assets automatically, perfect for long-term investors. By day 7, the shocking truth became clear. Uphold isn't just a crypto wallet, it's a hybrid financial platform that gives you the power of a bank, exchange, and investment tool all in one. If you're looking for a secure, all-in-one solution to manage crypto, stocks, and even commodities, Uphold delivers. It's not flashy, but it's reliable, transparent, and incredibly efficient. The real surprise? It makes managing multiple asset types feel effortless, and that's rare in both crypto and traditional finance.